how to view your Schwab Investor Checking account number and routing number. If you want to find your Schwab Investor Checking account number and routing number, you can just log into your Schwab account online, or you can download the Schwab application on your mobile phone, right? So what you can do is you can simply go to your app store and download the Charles Schwab application. So let me go ahead and type that in right there. Then there you can see Schwab mobile app. You can simply download the app first. After you download, just wait until the download process has completed. Then after that, you could simply open the application. And when you open the app, you can go to the login screen. So I'll just allow these necessary permissions. I'll tap on login. So enter your login ID, tap on continue and enter your password. There, just navigate to the move money section, followed by routing numbers and direct deposit option. Alternatively, by the way, you can also find your routing number on your bank issued checks or monthly statements. This way you can view your Schwab Investor Checking account number and routing number. Hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.